Hi everyone. Today we are going to see how to create SSH key for GitHub account. This is my GitHub account where you can able to access the SSH key and GPG keys in setting. Here I have created a SSH key for my mail ID. You can able to see the key. There is a new SSH key here in which we can add the SSH key. There is a link below. Generate SSH. Click on the GitHub. Click on the link below. You can able to see the GitHub docs. In the GitHub doc, you can able to see how to list the existing SSH key, and to list down the existing SSH key, you need to mention the below. Here you can able to see the in JetBrains you can type in list -al dot sh folder. Then you can able to see the list of sh key available in the sh folder. Yeah, you can able to see there is also a .pub key. This is a public key just available. Here you can see in my folder there is also one public key which is available. If it's mentioned .pub, it is a public key. Then you can create SSH key or public key, whatever you want. You can option here you can see the link generate new SSH key. Generate a new SSH key. There is a docs here. There is SSH keygen is a keyword. By using this keyword you can create a key in your Windows app. You have another note is mentioned. Either if the SSH key is not created in the above keyword, you can use the below keyword to generate the SSH key. As you are able to see, there is a mail ID is given and for generating the SSH key. The mail ID which is available in my GitHub account. So I am mentioning this mail ID for referring the GitHub. In the settings, you can able to add the mail IDs in your account, in which where you can see the emails tab. You can add your mail IDs and you can give the mail ID which is used in the GitHub. So it is the then the GitHub key will be generated. You can give the GitHub file name. Here we are asking for giving the GitHub file name. This actually will create a default file id underscore rc. So I am giving file name. I already have created a GitHub key. So let's go to the folder user, in my user.sh folder. Here you see the id rc. There are two keys I have created. This is a private key which is available on my folder. We can create files by using just type the file whichever you want, whichever name you want. Just press enter and then the file will be generated, a key will be generated. Then the key is now saved in the command prompt location like cgit docker spring boot location. So we can go to that location folder, and we can take the GitHub keys. There is a 2 key will be generated. In one key is for adding it to the GitHub account. The other key is used to map it in the Windows file. So these 2 key we can copy and paste it in .sh folder, which is available in the users file. We have pasted. I already created. You need to open the one of the key created. You can copy one of the key which has a name starts with SSH-RSA. That would be the key it will be created. Here you can able to see SSH-RSA is a key pair value with some keys and with a mail ID. You can add any name. I'm just giving the mail ID name for my key. I already added, so no problem for it. This key will be added in the SSH key. You can go to your command prompt, and you need to, before going to command prompt, we can go to the config file. You need to create a config file in .sh folder, which consists of some values, which is host name, username, and the path of the private key we have created. You can see we have created 2 files, one file for Windows, other file we have added in the GitHub. So I already created to work, so I deleted this key. This key which I have deleted, one is for GitHub, one is for Windows. So no problem, we have added the account, so we can now clone the GitHub repository. You can go to the code, you can copy the URL and navigate to any folder, mention GitHub, git space clone space the URL which you need to clone. So while entering, after type enter, you can able to see a GitHub folder will be created for the repository will be downloaded in your desktop. I already created, so that's all. We have created the downloaded the files from the GitHub. If you have a problem like adding 2 or more GitHub, you can also add the config file. You can add another user with another SSH pointed private key pointed. How can we do it? I will share a link. I'll attach link. Yeah, this is the link. In this link you can see multiple SSH key for different GitHub account. So here same way we have created a key and 2 key, one key for another one GitHub, another for other GitHub. So let's go and see to the that it has a config file. In config file you just copy the already existing .sh and paste it in, paste down. You can give the GitHub host name, username, and the main thing is file which you need to point, private key which you need to point. Then the other key will be accessed from other JetHub, used for other JetHub. So we need to mainly create a config file and point the SSH. Then you can create to SSH and map on the vendor's file. Thank you.